That's it. You got a box. Yay!
Daddy can open it.
Do you want help opening the box? You don't have to rip the box.
Why?
Because there's a way to open it. There you go. Oh, you figured it out.
Hello. Hello. And then another present. Dad, how did Mommy do all this? Wow, she must be using a lot of wrapping paper.
You sound like your father.
Good boy,
Oh,
Chris.
she got me glasses. And smoking. The paper goes into cup. Oh, my goodness.
Careful, you're knocking things on the floor.
I'm not just watching. I'm just watching. Look, it's just a camera. I bet it's another DS game.
I bet it's not.
I bet it is.
But it's a monkey.
I thought it's a monkey. It's not. It's a DS Monster Jam
Oh.
Don't drop them.
There's another one?
Yeah, Mommy got me all these new games now.
And Daddy.
And Daddy? Oh my God, how much what is that? How much? Oh, you forgot the game I wanted. New Super Mario Brothers. I want to see.
Do you know that game is only on the DS and Mario grows to gigantic sizes?
No, my friend Eric had that.
Oh.
He came over.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
But it is a